Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is about WhatsApp tricks. So today we'll discuss about some secret tricks of WhatsApp. Lots of people connected through WhatsApp in the world, so it is easy and helpful if you know all the secret tips of WhatsApp. So if you are using WhatsApp, then you just watch the movie, watch the video from the beginning to the end to know the detailed tips and tricks of WhatsApp. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button on the right side, you will get the notification for the next videos. To get the full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report about WhatsApp tricks. Now, WhatsApp great secret tricks. It will be fun to chat with friends. Generally all the users know the features given in WhatsApp and use them during chatting. Apart from this, WhatsApp also constantly releases new updates to improve the experience of its users, in which many features are given. However, hardly and any users will be aware of these secret features that come with the update. So today we have brought some secret tricks related to the WhatsApp for you, which will double the fun of chatting with you. So let's take a look of these tricks. So today we'll discuss about lots of tricks, and if you are using WhatsApp, then it will be definitely double fun for chatting with your friends, with your relatives. So have a look on these tricks. So this is how to record a hands-free voice note, and WhatsApp voice note is very good. You have seen this is the chat box. In this chat box you have seen this is the right side one mic option. So this is when you tap this on mic, your voice is recording. You can record your voice in this WhatsApp and you just send it to your friends. So WhatsApp voice note is very good, and however very few users will know that the voice notes can be easily recorded even if the hands free, that is earphones. To record a voice note from the earphone, you must first tap on the microphone by mic at the bottom of the WhatsApp chat box. After the recording, it will start 0, 1, 2, 3. You just see the image, and when you just record your voice, then you can send it your friends, in your group of friends or any others relatives to connect it, or whatever you recorded in your voice in WhatsApp. So it is very useful. If you want to send your voice note, you can record your voice note and then you can just send it to your friends. Now easy to find old chats. Well, one of the scroll to find old chat which spoils a lot of time. So when you scroll down your old chats, but to save time, users can bookmark old chats. For this, users can mark the chat that you can be able to easily search later. To mark any as a star, long press it can after you have to tap the star options above. So you have seen when you just click on this, tap this when you which chat you want to search in the later. So then you can just tap this chat and just long press after you have tapped one of the stars options. So you can just click on the star option and you can bookmark this old chat and you can find it easily. So stay online without using a phone. So you can use WhatsApp account without a phone. With working in office, it is bit difficult to check the message on WhatsApp repeatedly on your smartphone. So this is the way you can use WhatsApp web. This is the web version of this WhatsApp. Here you can able to reply the messages as your work. At the same time, you will have to touch your phone again and again. Don't need to touch your phone again and again to touch smartphone. You just open your WhatsApp web in your browser, and then you just QR code. You have seen this in this image. You can verify your QR code from the settings of the right side. You have seen these settings, and you just go to the WhatsApp web, and you have seen that one searching app, this QR code search. You just verify your QR code in the desktop, and your desktop is running your WhatsApp account. After verifying, your WhatsApp account is showing on desktop or laptop. So you can easily do it stay online without using your smartphone. You can connect it through this through desktop. You can operate it through desktop. It is easy to handle whatever you are in office or work in busy model. You don't need to touch your smartphone again and again. So that is the one of the most option to stay online without using a phone. Sometimes profile photos are last seen. Sometimes you need to for your privacy, you just don't want to see whenever you online, so then you can vanish your last seen option from your profile. So how can you do it? Profile photos and last date. The other things are privacies of your profile photo and when you last checked WhatsApp. If you want to both of these, can according to your own, you can choose which people can see the profile photo and which don't. Also you can also choose whether or not checked WhatsApp or not. So you can go to the settings and you can do it easily, that you don't want to, for your privacy settings, you just don't want to show your whenever you on your WhatsApp or your photo, you don't want to share with anyone, then you can just off this option. You just not check this box, so then your chat was just, you have seen this before, it is seen last seen today at 19.22. So and the next option after the last seen options is turned off, then it not showing anything, the time is not showing in your WhatsApp. So that is the for your privacy setting. You can hide your profile photo and last seen option. Now who read the message when you are chatting with your friends, then how can you know that the message is seen by your friends? Many times your friends read your message but don't reply. Later he says that only read the message after a long time, but WhatsApp gives you the facility to know when the message has been read. Just tap the message and choose the option. See the red mark, this is the detail of your chat. Just chat the whatever your message, what you send to your friends, you just tap and select this message and just choose the options, and you will get all the details of the message, when it is arrived and what is read. So first you just select the message, tap to select the message, and then just click on this on the red arrow. You just see in this picture this icon, and you get the detail about when it is arrived to your friends and when it is read. Now pin an important chat. Typing names of important people in which search bar or scrolling down to get their chat history might get time consuming and monotonous every time you want to converse. WhatsApp allows you to pin chats of these contacts on the top. Swipe a chat to the right and tap on the pin icon to get to the top iOS, or hold a chat, tap the pin but once selected Android. In this Android operating system, and it is iOS operating system. So you can pin an important chat, whatever which you want to most important friends, and you always need these friends to chat, then you can pin this chat every time. You do not need find to their conversation. So it is easy to pin your chat in this iOS or in WhatsApp. So this is an important feature of to pin a chat, an important chat. Now another feature is read messages without letting the sender know. You can avoid the blue tick from the appearing on this message you have read. Put your phone on flight mode and open WhatsApp to read the messages. Close the app after reading and remove it from your multi window. Disable the airplane mode and chat will appear unread to the sender. So this is the great feature of WhatsApp. You can use these features, you know about these features to handle your friends, to whatever these tricks are helpful to chatting whenever you are chatting with your friends or relatives or friends. This is take your privacy, this is your good attitude that to present to your friends, so that they don't know that whatever the message is going to the sender option, but they don't know, but you just delete your options, or whatever you have just on this airplane mode, and chat will appear unread to the sender. So that is a great feature. Now mark chats as unread. Mark a chat with a dot. If you read the message but are not unable to immediate reply, this will serve a reminder for later. On iOS, swipe the chat to the right and tap on the unread icon, while on the Android, press and hold the conversation that you wish to mark unread. So all these options are very important. Whatever you are, these tricks are helpful to when you are with chats with your friends. Now whatever you want to turn off your last scene, we just discussed earlier that turn off. How can you just turn off this last scene options? WhatsApp allow you to see the last activity time of your contacts on the app and vice versa, and you can protect your privacy and not let people know when you last checked your WhatsApp messages by turning off that option. Go to the settings, select account and tap the privacy to choose the suitable option for your under last scene, and no one cannot know the online whenever you online, but when you online, then they can only see if they is online and you are also online, then you just see these online options, you are online, but you cannot know, you don't find that whenever you just offline or when you check it. You can check your messages later, but they don't know about when you just last seen this WhatsApp, when you just online in WhatsApp. Now read and send messages without touching the phone. So you can do this virtual assistant like Siri, Apple Siri and Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa help you to read messages without typing or touching your phone. All you need to do, they give them a verbal command and they will do the rest. So nowadays all these virtual assistants like Siri, Apple Siri, Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, this is also helpful to type your command whenever you give this verbal command, and they will do the rest, do the work for in behalf of you. So this is the very great option. You just connect this to this Alexa or Siri or Amazon Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to your WhatsApp, then they can do it for you. Now stop media being automatically downloaded. Nowadays, would you want to forwarded pictures and videos to be saved to your gallery automatically, which lessens space in your phone and maybe reduce processing speeds? Tap on settings that the chats and turn off save to camera roll options in iOS or show media in gallery in Android. So whatever you are just Apple iOS, you are using this iOS system, then save to camera roll options, or if you are using Android operating system, then show media in gallery. You can also change preferences in media downloaded for individual chats. Open a specific chat and tap on the name of this contact or groups on top. Open save to the camera roll options in iOS and media visibility Android and choose from the settings suitable for you. Add doodles and emotions to your pictures. WhatsApp allows you to play with pictures by adding doodles, text and emotions to it, and tap the attach options and then go to the gallery, select the image to be shared, and it is open in a photo editor. You can make it interesting by adding doodles or emotions. Now you can delete accidentally sent messages. Messages that are accidentally sent can be removed from your receiver's inbox as well. Select the message and tap the delete for everyone. You just see these three options: delete for everyone, delete for me, or delete. So if you want to delete from your message from your smartphone, just delete for me. You just choose this delete for me. And if you suppose you send a invalid message, wrong message to your friends, then you can, before it is sent to your friends, you just tap this message and just select delete for everyone. Then your friends do not receive this someone send messages, but he cannot see your messages. Just it is seen that the message is deleted, so no message is sent to your friends. So this is the very good options. If you by mistake send messages by mistake to your friend, then you can just select and tap these messages and select this and choose these options, delete for everyone. So the very good tricks to delete the messages, whatever it is, bad messages, or you don't want to send messages by mistake, you just send this message, so you can delete it from your receiver receiver phones also. But receiver friends, no, your friends do not see this message. Now change preference of text languages. You don't have to necessarily chat in English language on this app, which offers option of several other languages. Go to the settings and select chats, then tap on the app languages and choose the whatever you want. So lots of languages are there. You just choose these languages. You can chat with your friends in these languages. So no need to know English language only. All the languages, all over the world, whatever is there in this languages list, you just select this language and just start chatting with your friends. Now change font. This feature allows you format the text and convert the plain font to italics or bold. So you can send messages to italics, to some text to italics or bold. Start and end the text with asterisk to make it bold. Similarly, begin and end it with an underscore to make it appear italicized. A slide in the beginning and end will make strike through appear on this text. So you can make changes font of your text. Now find out who you talk the most. You might have a long list of the friends that you have chat with on of the regular basis, but there will be one of the converse with this most. You can find which contact uses the maximum storage. Open settings and go to the data and storage uses. Tap on the storage uses and then select the contact. You will be able to see how much storage you have been in each contact. So this is, in this way you can find who you talk the most. This feature allows you in this WhatsApp that who you talk the most, you can find out who you talk the most. Now this is the great feature, you can change the wallpaper of this WhatsApp. The wallpaper can be customized by going to the wallpaper in chats under settings. You can choose a picture from this wallpaper library, phone gallery, or select a solid color. So you can change your wallpaper of this chatting on your WhatsApp. So this is the great feature of WhatsApp. Now bookmark messages. We just earlier we have discussed about this bookmark message. How can you do it? There might be something important chats that you want to bookmark. To find it, the old messages, it is very important to bookmark your messages. So WhatsApp allow you to do by storing these messages. Open the specific messages in the chat, hold down the messages and then press star. So when you just press star, then you just find it later. And you just find whenever you need to the old messages to find old messages, then bookmark messages is also helpful to find it. The old messages, this bookmark messages helps. So if you think this is the important chat, then you can just go to the messages, specific message in this chat and hold down the message and then press star. So this way you can make bookmark in this WhatsApp, and this is the easiest way to find out old messages. Now broadcast a message to multiple contacts privately. So a public message can be sent privately with the help of broadcast list of WhatsApp. A message sent out to a list of contacts will be received as an individual message by them. Tap on broadcast on the left corner of your screen iOS, or the menu icon 3 vertical dots at the top right corner Android in Android system, and add contacts to the sending messages. So you can broadcast a message to multiple contacts privately. This features is also allows in this WhatsApp. In WhatsApp you can broadcast a message to multiple contacts privately. This is the last feature for our video today. Add dates to your calendar. In iOS, press and hold the date mentioned in the chat to create an event. This will automatically add the event in your calendar directly from your message. So you can WhatsApp in these features allows you in WhatsApp add dates to your calendar. So this is all these features is also helpful. So all these are all the features of WhatsApp. You can know it to chat your friends whenever you want to chat your friends. It is easy and helpful. If you know all these secrets of the tricks of WhatsApp, this is helpful with chatting with friends and relatives. So that's it about our video today. After watching this video, now you can know detail about this WhatsApp tricks and features, and to help you to chatting with your friends and relatives. So all these features of WhatsApp are discussed in this video. So hope you will enjoy this video, and thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USNMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.